Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro and X4 Pro 5G. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to download a second WhatsApp or a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp, like you already have one WhatsApp in your device but you want to download another, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can download a second WhatsApp in your device Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. Let's watch the video.